want to show you how to play the 19th century gospel hymn classic, When We All Get to Heaven. If you want the letter notes for that, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the introduction. All I'm going to do for the introduction is a G7 chord. We're in the key of C, so I'm going to hit G, B, D, F. And you can play it with your right hand or your left hand. And then we're going to go straight into the melody. So you play that chord, arpeggio, up, hold it, and then go right into the melody on a G. Now here's the melody. G, 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 C, E, F, G, A, G, E, F, 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 E, D, E, F, G, E, G, C, C, G, A, C, C, A, G, C, C, B, A, B, C. Then the chorus, refrain, E, G, C, B, A, G, E, G, G, C, 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 B, C, D, G, C, E, D, C, A, G, C, C, B, A, B, C. And there you've got the melody. So then all we have to do, here's what I'm going to do on this arrangement. We'll just play that chord and then go right into the melody, right hand only for the first stanza. And then for the second verse, we'll bring in the left hand. Now in the left hand, we're going to have a C arpeggio, C, E, G, then a C chord that's broken up, C, E, and G, then a G7. Well, then I'm going to have B in the bass, B, F, G. Now your G7 is G, B, D, F. So we're playing the B, the F, and the G without the D. The D is kind of going to come in there in the right hand. So we're going to go B, F, G, and then B, F, and G. And you don't want to hit that B too hard. B, F, and G, back to the C chord. That's the way it'll go rhythmically. It'll go D, B, F, G, C chord. Then we do the arpeggio again, C, E, G. F chord with F in the center, you're going to have C, F, A. So your F chord is F, A, C. And we're just going to put the C in the bass there because we've already got the C. And then we're going to go back and forth between a C and a G7. And then a C and an F and a C. So we go. Then when we get to hit that chord, ba, 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 got to heaven, and then we come back with a C, E, G. Now we're going to go to an A minor arpeggio, A, E, A, then to the G, B, D, F, and I'm going to fill in the 7th on the arpeggio, G, B, D, F. Then we're going to go C, E, G, F chord, C, G7, and here you can break it up. So you can hit the C and then bum, 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 E and G, F and A, back to the E and G. So that'll get us together for the second verse. And I'll put it together slowly so that you can see how the left hand and right hand fit together. Refrain. So that E goes with the G in the left hand. passing tone B in there. Then for the third verse, or an interlude before the third verse, we're going to go up and play it up in this octave like a toy piano. So mainly the melody will be the same. It'll just be an octave up. So all you've got to do is get the bass, and you're going to have E with that G. Then when you come down to this E, we're going to slide the bass down to a C, then up to a D. Now you're going to have to lift it off and go right back to it. Then go back to the C. And then E, F, E, F. So you're going to go E, dun, dun, F, dun, 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 E, dun, F, dun, dun, E, F, E. So that the verse part, and then I'll get into the chorus. Then we're into the chorus now. E, F, E, C, E. Now we're going to walk it up here. F, F sharp, G. Now you lift off and the right hand takes that G. Now this is the furthest apart we've got. So we're going to go C, E, D, C. And the F goes with the C. Then we go back to the F, E, F. Yeah, we go right back to that E, F, E, F, E. Now once you get to that, hold it just for slightly and lift off it and then come down, and we'll play it with chords this time along with the melody. And this will be the third verse and chorus and a tag chorus on it. So we'll have... just hit the chord, and then C, broken chord. Then a G7, back to the C. Here we go to the F. And we're into the tag chorus. We go into and you want to slow it down a little bit on this last time through. Now I don't want you to hit the left hand too loud or it'll ring through, so we're going to go like this and then go right up the arpeggio. Almost as if we're just all ascending up to heaven right there. So you have, the last thing you have is, and then hit this last chord a little lightly so that it doesn't ring too loud. And the last notes will play an E and a C together. There you have it, When We All Get to Heaven. Famous 19th century gospel hymn classic. Hope you enjoy playing it.